Hello, how's it going, guys? Yeah, today I'm just by myself doing a little solo hike. Just parked up, drove past Hartley Quarry, sort of near Kirby Stephen, and I'm going to climb Nine Standards Rigg, which is a nice little peak. It's got a few little, what do you call it, cairns on the top. Is it 9 cairns, 9 standards? That's why they call it Nine Standards Rigg. Yeah, it's blowing a gale. It's like 30-mile-an-hour winds. The car's rocking as I'm talking to you. Yeah, should be good. Just I think it's about 5 mile, so it's not a big one, but it's notoriously boggy up there. So I've got my gaiters, good footwear, all my layers. Got me balaclava just in case, the old Barry. So yeah, looking forward to it.
Off we go. So, you're probably not going to hear a word I'm saying, so I'll speak really close to the camera. So I've done this before once, earlier this year actually. I'm just doing it again now because, well, why not? I really enjoyed it last time and I want to capture it on camera.
Walking up to the Rigg was brutal, man. The winds were powerful and relentless, constantly tested my balance and determination. Each step required a deliberate effort to push against this invisible force that threatened to push me off course. The howling gale, screeching in my ears, temporarily made me forget about my tinnitus, which perhaps was a good thing. I always find that hiking in strong winds is always a thrilling and humbling experience. It reminded me of the raw power of nature and the importance of preparation, adaptability, and above all, safety when venturing out into the wilds.
Yeah, a little bit of respite from the wind. Oh, it's been brutal. That was something else. Just about to take this off. Just about to go up here. The final ascent to the Nine Standards Rigg, built by wizards, forged in heat of battle against demons and reptiles. No, I'm only joking.
Nine Standards Rigg is a distinctive landscape feature in the northern part of the Yorkshire Dales National Park that rises to an elevation of approximately 662 metres above sea level. As mentioned earlier, the most notable feature on the Rigg is the group of 9 stone cairns known as the Standards. These cairns are arranged in a line and their purpose and origin remain a subject of some debate. Some believe they could be ancient burial markers, while others think they may have had a more practical function as boundary markers. The Rigg is a popular destination for hikers and outdoor enthusiasts. There are various walking routes that allow visitors to enjoy the rugged and scenic landscape of the area. The circular route that takes you to the cairns is a common choice, which is the one I'm on. One of the main draws of this area is the breathtaking panoramic views it offers. From the summit, you can see the rolling hills of the Yorkshire Dales, the North Pennines, and even parts of the Lake District on a good day. It's important to note that the weather in this region can be quite changeable. so hikers and visitors should be prepared for varying conditions. It's a beautiful spot for those who appreciate the natural beauty and tranquility of the Yorkshire Dales.
Me back to Hartley. I'm just going to pop over here, just have a check these views.
Yeah, just found a little spot out the wind a bit. Using this old wall as a windbreak. Stunning views.
Now, which is nice. It's very nice. We're home straight. Made it through the bogs. Back down the Hartley Quarry. And there we have it. 9 Standards Rigg for the second time. How would I sum up this walk with one word? I think it would just be wild. Wild as you like. Yeah, that was pretty crazy up there actually. Shut the gate. That's part of it. Yeah, it was awesome. You know, a lot of people think, you know, why would you go up there in 30-mile-an-hour winds? I'll tell you why, because it makes me feel alive. Totally makes me feel alive. The wind powering down on you. The stunning views, yeah, it's just amazing. And I really get a buzz out of it. That's why I do it. Yeah, just really enjoying getting back into my hiking now after a lengthy layoff with my foot, as I said before. So yeah, this is a good little test of my ankle today because there's a lot of uneven ground, bogs, a lot of bog hopping. I actually love bog hopping. It's like a bit of a hobby. Stunning location though. You know, look over there, you've got like Old Dunfell, Crossfell, Pennines. Yeah, it's just not far from home. I was going to go to the lakes, but it's just a little bit too far today, especially when it's getting a bit dark. But this is good. So final thought. final thought for the day is stay wild.